Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we talk about audio tracks. So audio tracks are tracks where we can load audio clips. We can not use MIDI and that sort of stuff. So let's see how it's structured. We have this track. We can make a new audio track with right click, insert audio tracks, or with Command T or Control T if you are on Windows. For each audio track we have the name. We can rename it, Command or Control R, so new audio track. We can also change the color. And then here we have the input type, so we can select the input we want. Then we have the input channel. Here we have the monitoring. We can have in, auto, or off. So this setting can generally be left on auto, which turns monitoring on when the track is armed and off to play clips. Also, to hear a track's instrument playing input from a MIDI keyboard or an external audio signal through a track's effects, arm the track. Then we have the output type, so we can select where we want to output the audio from this track, and generally is on master. If we select any other thing, we may have another option which is a sub menu for another track. Then we have the track activator, so this is on and this is off. Then we have the track volume. Then we have the solo cue, the arm recording, and the track pan, which is actually the channel balance. Then we can also freeze a track if we want to save some CPU, so it just make a sort of preview of the whole track with all the effects, so you can use less CPU. And if you want, you can unfreeze the track and come back to its original state, or you can freeze and then flatten, and you just have a flattened version of the whole track. Remember that once you flatten the track, you cannot flatten a track which has some sidechain going on. So you have to apply sidechain in a second moment. If we switch to this other view, we also have this function, which is select split stereo to pan mode. So have true panning here and not channel balance anymore. Another cool thing for the panning is if we do some right click, we can select split stereo pan mode, so we have true panning going on here. So this is it for the audio track. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.